Come spend a day with me as I open and operate our small coffee business. I started the day by leaving home and hinahatid sundo nga pala ako ni Lawrence during his 1 hour break sa work. Super thankful talaga ako always for him, especially for being super supportive. After around 20 minutes on the road plus a little traffic, nakarating na kami sa palengke to buy some of the ingredients and supplies we needed for the business. Tapos diretso na kami sa store. Maliit lang yung setup namin dito kasi nasa garage kami nila mama nakapwesto while we're still building our dream business. And we're hoping na one day mas tangkilikin siya ng mga tao. And later on, isa-isa na nga ring dumarating yung mga customers namin. And we're so grateful lalo na kapag binabalik-balikan nila yung mga ino-offer namin drinks. Super nakakatuwa na kahit papano may mga loyal customers na kami. Our coffee shop is also right beside my Kuya's chicken business, so if you're craving good food and coffee, you can have both in one place. Nandito na nga pala si Lawrence ng mga time na to kasi after work niya, diretso na siya dito para sabay na kaming uuwi. And that's how our day went. Thank you for spending the day with us. I'll see you on my next vlog.